Hey fellow garden lovers, today I'm super excited to share with you how you can transform your garden into a paradise for our tiny, buzzing friends, the bees. First off, let's talk about why bees are so crucial. These little workers play a massive role in pollination, which essentially helps our plants grow, breed, and produce food. Without bees, our gardens and ecosystems would be in big trouble. So how do we make our gardens welcoming for bees? It starts with the right plants. Opt for native species whenever possible, as these are not only easier to maintain, but also what local bees love most. Think about including flowers like lavender, sunflowers, and foxgloves. These plants are not just beautiful, they're bee magnets. Next up, water sources. A simple bird bath or a shallow dish with some pebbles and water can make a huge difference. It gives bees a spot to hydrate without the risk of drowning, which is crucial during those hot summers. Let's not forget about pesticides. It's crucial to avoid chemicals that can harm bees. Consider natural alternatives like neem oil or simply using a strong water jet to remove pests. Healthy plants with minimal chemical interference are a win-win for you and the bees. And here's a little extra tip. Try to provide a variety of plants that bloom at different times of the year. This ensures that bees have a continuous source of food. In conclusion, creating a bee-friendly garden is not just about adding a few plants. It's about creating an ecosystem where bees can thrive. And trust me, the rewards are sweet, literally. More bees mean better pollination, which leads to more fruits and flowers in your garden. So, go ahead, make these small changes, and watch as your garden becomes a buzzing haven of life. Not only will you be doing your part for the environment, but you'll also have the most vibrant garden in the neighborhood. Happy gardening. Remember, it's the little things that count. Let's make our gardens a haven for these essential creatures. See you next time.